Hi, Charmaine from Smarter Selling. Today's topic is mindset and your thinking. So it's very interesting in life. Your mindset will determine your success. And I find myself going through life and people upgrade their TV, their mobile phone regularly, their car. They're upgrading things, but they're not upgrading their mindset. Do you know what? If you really want to be successful at what you do in any form of life, however you measure success, you really do need to be on top form with your mindset and be in charge of your state at all times. It's the one most powerful thing that you can have. Consider this. If you're taking phone calls and at 9 a.m. you get a miserable person, someone who's rude, then who cares? If you've got the right mindset, you're not even attached to that. You can completely unplug. Let's say you get to the office and a colleague is down, or the company's website is down, or marketing's flopped, or this has happened. If you're in charge of your mindset, nothing gets you down. You can still see the success and you're still driven to go out and grow more business. So if you want to be in charge of your mindset, learn more about mindset mastery. Attend a sales mastery course, read about your mindset, read about things like NLP, hypnotherapy, timeline therapy. Immerse yourself in understanding how you can be in charge of your state at any time. It's the one thing that's going to absolutely lead your success. If you'd like to know more about mindset and have more tips on mindset mastery, then subscribe below. My company is actually called Success Mindset Academy. It's all down to your mindset. And if you want to learn more about courses to do with mindset, then give us a call. I'm Charmaine from Smarter Selling. Until next time.